Hello, beauties and sports fans. Why do I say this? There will be a sports vibe to this creative art video. I got inspired by the Nashville Predators. Hello, beautiful people. This is Nika and you're watching Love for Beauty. So, a friend of mine and his wife took us to the Predators game yesterday. Thank you, James and Brandy. We had so much fun. So it was my first time going to an ice hockey game and I was fascinated. This game requires so much skill. I was instantly inspired. So we are doing a Predators face art today. Rawr! Are you ready to unleash your inside Predator today? Let's go. I am going to start with some very cool eye makeup and then I'm going to go deep into the Predators art. Stay with me to the end of this video to see what we're about to do. Fun times. Okay, don't judge me, but I was never a huge sports fan. I don't really follow sports on TV, but I have to say going to a game is a totally different experience and brings such crazy excitement. Watching those guys skate so fast and with such skill, I have so much respect for hockey and I would totally go again. That was so much fun. Moving on with the makeup. Do you like it so far? How do you like my gold addition to the eye makeup? So now here, I'm going to give you some facts about the Nashville Predators, or also known as the Preds. They are the newest addition to NHL and they compete in the Central Division of the Western Conference. We've sketched the Predator. You should be excited to what's coming next. We're going into the detail. But first, I will give you a little more facts about the Predators. The club was founded in 1998 and the name Predators was a winner out of a fan's vote from initially 75 names that was later shortened to 4 for the official vote, which were the Ice Tiger, Fury, Attack, and Predators. You know which one won. Here we are. I am excited. This is coming along pretty well. Here I want to say, if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is up. If you think your friends would like my content, share it with them and invite them to become a part of the Love for Beauty fam. If you have questions or suggestions, drop me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Also, I would like to know what you want to see next. So leave that in the comments or send me a DM on my social media. You can follow me on Instagram at Makeup Nika Geneva and on Facebook as Nika Geneva Makeup and Hair. Okay, let's move on with this baby. What do you guys think? How's it coming along? Okay, next fact I'm gonna tell you is about the Predators logo. It was inspired by an archaeological find. When construction workers were drilling in Franklin, they found a 9-inch fang and a 4-leg bone of saber-toothed tiger that was extinct for 10,000 years. That's incredible and so inspiring and so very cool. Therefore, the logo The Predators play their home games at the Bridgestone Arena, a place with raw energy and excitement. Welcome to Smashville. Rawr. Okay guys, the Predators team is comprised of players from 6 different countries, which are the US, Canada, Switzerland, Sweden, Finland, and Russia. Alright guys, this is it. I am in love with this look. I wish I did it before I went to the game, but hey, sometimes you gotta go to a game to get inspired and turn it into art. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I'm so grateful for your support. Remember to meet me here next Thursday at 5 p.m. Central and 3 p.m. Pacific. Now, let your inner predator out and look in the mirror. You are beautiful.